Hi everyone, in this video, I'll walk you through the updated Invoice Approval Interface and the new features that have been added. Previously, users could view and search pending work orders and export the list, but export options were limited. With the updated interface, several new tools have been added to make invoice processing faster and more efficient. Users can now approve or reject invoices directly from the page. Bulk select invoices to approve or reject multiple items all at once. Clear selection when needed, and export invoice data with separate option for Excel or PDF. The update also introduces a new filter button, allowing users to filter invoices based on risk level for easier review and prioritization. Overall, these improvements streamline the invoice approval process and provide better control when managing large number of invoices.